Split string based on a regular expression. I have the output of a command in tabular form. I'm parsing this output from a result file and storing it in a string. Each element in one row is separated by one or more whitespace characters, thus I'm using regular expressions to match one or more spaces and split it. However, a space is being inserted between every element. Is there a better way to do this? After each split, str2 is appended to a list.
By using, you are capturing the group. If you simply remove them, you will not have this problem. However, there is no need for regex. str.split without any delimiter specified will split this by whitespace for you. This would be the best way in this case. If you really wanted regex, you can use this. Or you can find all non-whitespace characters.
The str.split method will automatically remove a void space between items. Docs are here, this URL.
When you use regex, and the split pattern contains capturing groups, the groups are retained in the output. If you don't want this, use a non-capturing group instead.
It's very simple actually. Try this.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.